In this video, we will demonstrate the features of Raccoon, an Infostealer offered as a service for criminals with the ability to collect passwords, cookies, autofill data from all popular browsers, credit card data, cryptocurrency wallets, and more. Typically appears as a pirate or cracked version of legitimate software. We have configured this machine in audit-only mode so we can execute the sample we analyzed in more detail on our recent Threat Thursday blog for this thread. Upon execution, we can see how this is oriented to be a silent malware that does not appear to affect the regular user experience. One of its main features is the ability to run most of the collection process from memory. With our memory protection module on BlackBerry Protect, we are able to intercept this behavior. If we conduct some root cause analysis on this event on BlackBerry Optics, we can quickly see the process that occurs behind the scenes in memory. First, the process is detected as the .exe that is executed, and immediately after, we can see how it starts looking for it makes a series of DNS requests for command and control. And as soon as it establishes connection, it migrates into OS processes right after to start executing the credential enumeration. If we take a look into more detail here on our play-by-play, we can see all the different DNS requests that it conducts to all the different domains and the equivalent IP addresses. It starts looking for credential information on any installed internet browsers, as well as collecting information to fingerprint the system and identify running processes and more. Administrators can configure BlackBerry Optics automated response within our context analysis engine to proactively respond to each one of these TTPs and stop this threat in the earliest possible stage. We can also intercept memory access with our memory protection module on BlackBerry Protect, but nothing beats our temporal predictive advantage, which allows us to prevent these threats from executing in a matter of milliseconds with no reliance on cloud connectivity or frequent signature updates. Let's travel back in time to 2015 and test this sample along with 60 plus other samples of Raccoon. First, the original sample. As soon as we try to execute the file, our machine learning models are able to identify the malicious feature in milliseconds in pre-execution. If we try to copy 60 plus samples of Raccoon and we try to execute them on a loop to see how our solution is able to identify all of these different features, we can see how quickly we are able to stop these threats in milliseconds right upon execution. As you can see, our silence models on BlackBerry Protect could have prevented all these variants many years before they ever existed. Prevention is possible with BlackBerry.